Para bangga, please make a note of Katami number 2. The head committee individual from 11 years old, number 25 kilograms. Para para Pileganism, Adam Suhani, Seth Kahir Mon Sabri, Muhammad Yunus Ishan Nur Asbah, Ahmad Firas Usman Fakir Rizman, Rizindran Kandon, Q. Ajana, Sujendra Rajendran, Muhammad Adib Raizan Sukro, Cheku Firshad Aidik, Ajad Muhammad Faisal, Muhammad Hakim, J. Maheshwar, Jitesh Durendran, Jason Shah, Said Amir. Please make your way to Tatami soon. Ladies and gentlemen, class giving right now for 3 categories. Women Kata individual veteran, 40 years old and above. Can we please have Nazrina Kasim, Marilyn Audrey Lingdon. Female team Kata below 15 years old. Can we have the Sendokan Karate team and also KSSD team? Female Kata, female team Kata above 18 years old, and we have the Sendokan Karate team. So the prize giving for these 3 categories will be commencing in a few moments. Alright, one more time. Please come to the stage to receive your prizes. Nazrina Kasim, Marilyn Audrey Lingdon, the female team Kata below 15 years old, Team Sendokan Karate, Team KSSD, the female team Kata above 15 years old, Team Sendokan Karate. Please be at the side of the stage while we prepare your medals. Alright, President Kata, individual veterans, 20 years old and above. Silver medal goes to Nazrina Kasim. Wait, the other one and Alright, on the train right now is SAP House handling at the prize for female team Kata below 15 years old. Senator Karate team, silver medal winners, please go on to. Please a round of applause for the Senator Karate team. The silver medal winner for the female team Kata below 15 years old. And the winner for the female team Kata below 15 years old goes to